How to set spatial wallpaper on iPhone. Let's get started. So for that, first of all, make sure you're running iOS 26. This feature works on iPhone 12 and newer models, but unfortunately not on the iPhone 11 or 11 Pro. Now let's open the lock screen editor. From your home screen, swipe down from the top to open the notification center, and then long press anywhere on your screen until you see the customize option at the very bottom. Then tap on to where to open the lock screen editor. You can simply tap on the wallpaper and then tap on choose photo. Now choose a photo with good depth, like a picture of a person or your page. Once your wallpaper is set, you need to go ahead and simply tap on this 3D effect icon next to your photo, and your iPhone will analyze the photo for a few seconds and the 3D spatial effect will be enabled. Now when you tilt your phone, the wallpaper will move slightly, giving it a dynamic 3D feel. And when you're happy with that, tap on done. And that's it. You have successfully set a spatial wallpaper on your iPhone. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.